Hello friends, we are Giantway, sanding machine manufacturer, sanding solution supplier. Today, we'd like to do an overview of our QSG series calibrating sanding machine. This machine is configured with 3 working units. The first working unit is a steel ruler, complete with tension system, oscillating system, safety system, and dust collecting system. This working unit is mainly for rough calibrating job, and we usually install grade 80 abrasive belt on this working unit. The second working unit is the same structure with the first one, but with a rubber sanding ruler. The rubber hardness is shown 75. We usually install grade 120 abrasive belt on the second working unit. The third working unit is a bigger rubber ruler. Diameter is 320 mm. Complete with tension system, safety system, dust collecting system. We usually install grade 180 abrasive belt on this working unit. And this working unit is mainly for fine calibrating job. Behind the machine is the cleaning system. There is a cleaning brush inside this cover, and its function is for cleaning the board after sanding. In front of the machine, there is a control panel. The 3 meters are for the amper indicator. Here is a touch screen. These 2 buttons is for the tables up and down. This is the power switch button. This is an emergency stop button. We can turn on or off every working unit on this touch screen. You also can set up your desired feeding speed and the working pieces thickness on this touch screen. Now, I'm gonna do a demo with these solid wood panels on this sanding machine. Thanks for your watching. If you have any requests, please contact Giantway directly.